Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will explore area chart in Power BI. It is actually useful for visualization of quantitative data across time or category. If be very honest, it's essentially just a line chart, and with the data below the line is filled, making it easier to see the volume or the change. In Power BI, you can see that there are three types of area charts. So we have area chart, simple area chart, stacked area chart, and we have 100% stacked area chart. So we will see all three of them. They're the same with a different kind of visualization. So let's start. I will first create the basic area chart, which is good for showing one data series. So I already have my data here in the this connected. So we have month wise expenses, profit, and sales, and we also have the region. These are the fields that will be populated. So I need to fill out x-axis, y-axis, and secondary y-axis to populate my chart. You can also add legends. You can have small multiples. You can add tooltips, however you like it. But we will keep it simple and we will see how we can format it further. So in the x-axis, I will bring month and I will remove year, quarter, and day. So we will just keep month. In the y-axis, I will bring sales and we will remove this. In the secondary y-axis, we'll bring both the expenses and also the profit. So my area chart is complete. Now you can see that these are three lines, and the area under the line is filled. Now if I hover over, you can see for March we have sales 18,000, expenses 8,000, profit 1,000. Now let's see further how we can format it. So I'll go here on format your visual, and these are the fields that we can format. So we have x-axis, you can change the values how you want them to look. You can remove it if you want, but we will keep it. Just make it a bold. The title that says month, we will just remove it, we don't need it. We will do the same for y-axis. We will keep the values, just make them bold, and we will keep the title also, so that we know that is for sales, but we will make it a little bolder and we can increase the size. Now for secondary y-axis, we will keep the values, make them a bit bold here, and for the title also we will increase and we can make it. So now you can see that y-axis is showing us sales, and the secondary axis we have expenses and profit. Now let me just go and do this. So the legends, if you want to keep, yeah, we need the legends. You can change how you want them to look. The marker, we can make it like this. Line and markers. Let's keep it as it is. And the text also, let's make it bold and increase the size. The title, let's just remove the title. We haven't had any title, but if you want, you can add title and it will appear. And the grids line, how you want it, horizontal, we'll just keep it as it is. You can add a zoom slider here, so you can see how it works. Let's remove it for now. And the lines, you can you can format how the lines will look like. So for example, let's say for all, I can make it linear. We can make it, let's say, solid, dashed. You can also make it smooth. So this is how it looks. You can change the color. It's not. So this is how you can change the lines. You can do it for all, or let's say we want to change the expenses one. We will make it into step, and it looks very ugly, but you just keep a single type, but I'm just showing you guys. And we can make it into linear. So we have three different kinds showing here. In the markers, we have completed that, or no, Okay, so the shaded area, you can change the color for each. We will just keep it as it is, and you can make other changes. Markers, let's say for sales, you can see the markers here. You can select for all, and we can show markers. You can also set the shape type. Let's see, it's like this. You can set the color. We can make that black. Set the border also. So this is how you can modify the markers. You can add data labels. If you have a bigger chart and you want to keep the data labels, you can keep it. Let's say I will make it big here. Yeah, so we can keep the data labels. If I say how you want to change it, so you can keep apply settings to all. We will keep settings to all, and we will add a bit of, this is how you can format it. We will add background, so you can highlight, it looks highlight. You can also add further detail to it. For example, I can select this and I can bring region here, so it was showing west. I will just remove it now. We don't need data labels like this. So the series label, let's see how we can modify this. If I select this, it's showing sales and expenses. Let's just remove it for now. We have enough data on our chart. And then plot area background, if you want to have any background for this, we leave it. Now this is how you can do formatting of the visual. In general formatting, you can format it however any uh, you format any of the Power BI visual. I will remove the title here. You don't need the title. You can add effects to it. Let's say if you want to add any background, let's leave it as white. You can add a visual border, you can add shadow, and you can also further modify it. Here also you can add the date. You can change the data format for any, for month. You can change it. You can see the format is text only available, but if I go and go for sales, you can change how you want to appear. Then similarly, tooltips and header icons, we have already have the tooltips on. So now we have created our basic area chart. We also have stacked data chart, area chart. So I'll just click on it and it will show you how it looks. So this is, now you see we have this as stacked area chart, which is great for comparing multiples that add up to a whole. Now if I go and select 100% stacked area charts, you can see it is covering the whole area, and it is ideal for showing percentage contribution over time. I hope this video helped. Keep watching for more. If you have any questions, you can just post it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.